CNC router and digital cutter, Hanter Technology HRM48S. Best solution for cutting and engraving, Hanter Technology. Whatever you do, using the HRM series and CNC routers will give you the best results. There is no distortion even after using it for more than 10 years. Scratch resistant and classy look. It minimizes tolerance across the whole table while in use. You will always experience powerful performance with light or heavy work. You can put materials on the bed easily and fast at the correct angle. It holds down material efficiently. Even a small piece can be held on the bed very securely. You can set the surface height just by using the magnetic sensor anywhere on the material. With our vision system, you can also cut the printed materials precisely. By automatically reading dots around the outline, it matches the drawing to the actual contours. Most of the cutting process can be controlled by the easy-to-use handheld remote from wherever the operator is standing. Repeated work can be saved on the remote. It can be repeated without a new computer setting. Cutting and engraving, more precise and more easy. Oscillating knife head for cutting soft material, foam board, corrugated board, sheet paper, etc. Various multi-head options available: EOT, V-cut, kiss cut, and creasing wheel. An extremely low vibration structure enables superior performance in acrylic and aluminum cutting. Tools are automatically changed according to what you set on CAM software. Tool length is also measured automatically after changing. It is easy and quick to use the chuck holder to change the end mill. Dust hood efficiently absorbs chips generated while cutting. Chips from material will be collected on this strong and compact dust collector. You can use alcohol to cool down the end mill while cutting hard material like aluminum. Wide range of working area options available: 4x8, 5x10, 6x10, 7x13 feet, and more. Hanter Technology, 20 years of experience in CNC router manufacturing.